So today I'd like to show you how you can use SMART's solution for AEC project teams with Bluebeam Review software to make your AEC project review and coordination meetings more effective. I'll get to how it works, but first let's quickly cover off what I'm using. I have a Windows PC connected to my SmartBoard interactive display. In this case, the display is a 70-inch. Isn't it gorgeous? The software I'm running includes Smart Meeting Pro software, along with Bluebeam Review. I have a 3D PDF file opened in Bluebeam Review. Now let's get started. Meeting participants can easily manipulate the 3D view directly while standing at the SmartBoard. There's no need to reach for the mouse and keyboard. My finger acts as a mouse, so I can use it to select the same tools or menus that I normally would from my desktop. Here I'm selecting the cross-section tool, then modifying the cross-section display by adjusting the properties. Let me show you how easy it is to interact with a 3D PDF file. Using simple multi-touch gestures, I can zoom in and out, I can pan and view in any direction, rotate the image, roll the image, and bring up an object-specific right-click menu with a press and hold. It's really that simple. Of course, I have a capability to manipulate the image in a 2D view as well. Now that I have a view of the PDF that I want to review, I can use my Smart Pen to mark up the diagram and inject notes into the file. Let's say that I want to look at the stairwell and write a note about it. I simply touch my Smart Pen to the Bluebeam pen icon and start writing. And I can use my fist to erase any part of the markup by using the pen tool in Bluebeam. See how my ink stays with the model as I manipulate it on the board. I can also use the pen to write a text callout on the board. Again, note that this stays as part of my PDF as I navigate to other areas of the floor plan. Now let me show you another way of capturing ad hoc design notes. Smart Meeting Pro software has what we call the unbound workspace. I simply grab my capture tool, select the area in the design I want to review, and it automatically gets copied from Bluebeam into my unbound workspace. I can now go into Meeting Pro and make ad hoc notes about the design using its digital ink. When I'm finished making my notes, I can save all the images and notes made in the unbound workspace as a PDF file for distribution. Now the last thing I want to show you quickly is how easy it is to collaborate on a design with a remote meeting participant. During a design review, I can share my screen with remote participants simply by pressing Screen Share on the Meeting Pro toolbar. Not only can remote participants see my screen, they can also add markups. Here there's a remote user running Bridget's conferencing software on an iPad. A remote user can see the markups or notes I've added and can select an ink color from the Bridget toolbar and make additional markups to the assembly using their iPad. There's no need to request permission back and forth for the participants. It's a seamless collaboration experience. By combining the power of Smart Solutions and Bluebeam Review, you can fully engage your project teams throughout the design and build process and ensure critical input is gathered from all your team members. The result is dramatic improvements in your efficiency, which will lead to faster project completion and fewer costly misunderstandings. For more information on AEC solutions from Smart, please visit our website at www.smarttech.com/AEC.